Good morning. Today we are going to discuss business statistics 1. In that chapter number 3, the topic is median. Median. Today we are going to discuss about median. According to Professor R.L. Karner, the median is that value of the variable which divided the group into two equal parts. One part comprising all values greater and the other part all values less than median. According to Professor R.L. Karner. And as well as same according to Horace Sickrist, median of a series is the value of the item, actual or estimated, when a series is arranged in order of magnitude, which divides the distribution into two parts. Now, how these median calculate? These median calculate in three categories. Number 1, individual series. And number 2, discrete series. And number 3, continuous series. Number 1, individual series, we have to calculate median. Also, median we can calculate in discrete series, number 2, and also calculate in continuous series. In three series are there. We can calculate median in these three series. Let us discuss one by one. Number 1, individual series. Now let us discuss each and every one. First, individual series. In this individual series, we can arrange the data in ascending or descending order, which we are given in the question. Arrange the data in ascending. Ascending or descending order. If the number of values in the question is odd number, the equation is median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2 item. And if the number of values in the question, if it is even number, the equation is n by 2 plus first item. Or two middle values divided by 2. This is for even number of values are given in the question, and this is for odd number of values given in the question. These are the two equations for calculating median in individual series. Calculation median in individual series. Let us discuss a problem. Calculate median from the following given data. Question is here. Question is given like this: 51, 52, 53, 51, 53, 54, 54, 50, 55, 53, 54, 55, 56, 54. So now we have to calculate median in individual series. For that, we have to arrange the data ascending order or descending order. Here we can ascending the order. The data arranged in ascending order. This is 50, 51, again 51, and 52, and 53, 53 again, 53 again, and 54, and again 54, and again 54, and another 54 is there, and 55, and another 55, and last 56. Completed. Now apply the formula. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2 item. Then go for applying. N number of items. How many number of items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 numbers are there. 14 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5. 7.5th item. When 75th item, this 7.5th item, when 7.5 is equal to 7th and 8th, 7th and 8th item of the data. Hence 7th item is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 53, and 8th item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 54. 54. The median is 53 plus 54 by 2. 107 by 2 is equal to 53.5. This is the median value. And let us another example. Here is the question. Calculate median from the following: 22, 26, 14, 30, 18, 11, 35, 41, 12, 32. Now we can arrange these data in the ascending order. 11, 12, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 32, 35, 41. Now apply the formula of median in individual mode. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item. How many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1 by 2. 11 by 2 is equal to 5.5th item is the median. What is the median? Median is equal to 5th item plus 6th item, because of 5.5th item is the median, and that is in between 5th item and 6th item divided by 2 is equal to 5th item is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 22 plus 6th item is 26 by 2 is equal to 48 by 2 is equal to 24. 24 is the answer, is median.